Star Micronics GB Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Star Micronics Japan, with a UK distributor for star sliding heads in the UK and Ireland. Every year here at Star we have an open house. This event we showcase all the technology that we have available to our customers, and we invite lots of partners to show their accessories and their technology on our sliding head machines. This event every year is great for showcasing new technology. This year we're showcasing the SB20R2, which is our latest machine in our most popular series, the SB series. We've sold worldwide over 27,000 units of this particular model. This particular machine, it's smaller, it's more powerful, it's more accurate, it's faster, it's heavier than its predecessor, so we really hope the SB series will be a great seller in the UK market. Our annual open house event is the perfect opportunity to come and witness what Star Machines can do for your business, and also to witness the fantastic technology that we've got on show from our technical partners.